Hey Corey, this is Marco, Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. Here's that beautiful 21 Blazer Premier that we've got here. This is in the pearl white. This thing is clean as a whistle, man. Nice set of wheels on here. Color matching fenders, color matching roofs. Dual exhaust, parking sensors on the rear here. Inside we have 60/40 split fold seats. You have liners here as well. Keyless entry. Inside we have a tan leather interior, and holy moly, we have rear entertainment back here as well. Looks like I would assume an aftermarket option. All weather liners down here. This one even has a keypad built into it. Bose sound. Looks like 79,901 on the odometer. Rear camera mirror, heated and ventilated seats. You have a wireless charger down here. You have a sunroof up top. Corey, let me know if you have any questions. 706-408-9557. Thank you and have an awesome day.